Hello guys and welcome. In this video I will show you how to clean your iPhone speaker or Android as well. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing we need to do is simply go ahead and open the App Store or Play Store. Once you do that, here in the search bar what you need to type is simply clean speaker, and here what you need to do is simply download the app. But if it requires you, here you can see, let the iPhone play it for 10 to 15 minutes, and after that your speakers will be cleaned. So that's it for this video. Make sure to like it, subscribe for more. Until next time, see you soon in another video.